We know that forests are very useful for mankind. However, some of us cut down trees in an unplanned manner due to their own selfish interests. This is neither right nor desirable. Human beings cut forests because of the following reasons. They need more land to make houses, industries, and for agriculture. They need wood for construction. They need some trees for specific use, which they cut without planting more of them. Such activities are leading to a drastic reduction in the forest cover on Earth. The government has made laws according to which cutting down of trees is a punishable offense. When some trees need to be cut, a large number of trees must be planted. Harmful effects of deforestation. Decrease in rainfall in the surrounding areas. Trees are the main cause of water evaporation. It leads to less water absorption from the soil and makes it difficult to form clouds, which indirectly affects the water cycle and reduces precipitation. Increase in global warming. Trees store carbon dioxide, and when they are cut down, burned, or rotted, that carbon is released into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that traps heat in the atmosphere, causing temperature to rise. Decrease in the level of groundwater in the nearby areas. Deforestation can lead to a decrease in groundwater level by reducing the soil's ability to hold water. This reduces the amount of water that moves from the soil surface into the ground. Increase in soil erosion that can cause more frequent floods. This can result in widespread destruction. The roots of trees hold the soil together, thus preventing the soil from getting uprooted. When large areas of the forest are cleared, the topsoil gets eroded by wind and flowing water. Destruction of habitat of a number of plants and animals. Deforestation can directly lead to biodiversity loss when animal species that live in the trees no longer have their habitat, cannot relocate, and therefore become extinct. Deforestation can lead certain tree species to permanently disappear, which affect biodiversity of plant species in an environment.